Right, this car just came in and it's different enough that everybody loves it. The quality is off the charts. It's body off the frame restored. The underside is painted this same body color and it's waxed just like the top side is. But there's more than meets the eye. It's a Malibu. I'm gonna check that out. It's built with LS1 motor, LS6 heads, all custom tubular suspension. It's got a vintage air system. The AC is hidden down low. Overdrive trans. The quality again off the charts. It would cost every bit of $75,000 to build a car of this quality. Really sharp wheels. The car is slammed down just right. But look behind the wheels, the big slotted and drilled rotors at all four corners. Underneath that car is amazing. Everything, the rubber seals, the vinyl top, the moldings, all done. The interior is done completely stock, but it's also flawless. It's all reupholstered, new cranks, has the vintage air controls that slide real nice. The door jambs are slick. If you like quality, you're the type of guy that just likes to go out in the garage and peek at your car and feel real good, this is one of those. You won't be driving this car thinking, oh, I got to do this and that. This thing's done. And they started with a clean, original sheet metal car. Look underneath the back there. Look at them big wide tires, big sway bars, big fat exhaust system. All right, I'll take it for a little drive.